Let us make some coffee. Check it, check it, check it. Wow. It is so delicious. I wish I had an espresso machine. But it's French press. It's alright. Okay. Hold on. There we go. And clip it and put it back. Then what we're gonna do is hatta zafran. Hatta means put in Arabic. To all the people who speak Arabic. A little bit of zafran, the world's most expensive spice. We got that from Kashmir. I'm gonna put some Dorset salt. Shout out to Dorset Sea Salt Company. Then I'm gonna pour in 90 degrees water. And we're gonna let it brew for about 3 minutes. Alright, let's get the tray ready. Get the coffee. Look at that glass. Boom. Absolutely lovely. What else do we need? Alright, we're gonna have coffee in this amazing mug. And we're gonna keep this Starbucks one on the side. Just coffee into that. Sparkling water. It's a tad bit frozen, but that's alright. It will unfreeze given time. You know what? I'm gonna put something fabulous. White butter. Can you tell me who in Indian history was all about the white butter? Anybody know? Anybody know? Any guesses? Starts, I believe, with K. Okay. No worries. Alright, well, I don't know how I'm gonna carry that. As usual, I'm in a kerfuffle because it's heavy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at that, it's a beautiful view. And we made it. Yes, we did. Beautiful. What a lovely morning. Yay! Hello? How are ya? Okay, this is exciting. We got some coffee and we got some banter. Hello. Let's go.